Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious split pea soup with a ham bone. First, let's prepare our peas. You will need 1 pound of dried split peas. Rinse them well under cold water, then sort through them to remove any debris. For the best texture, soak the peas in 8 cups of cold water overnight. If you are short on time, a quick soak method for 1 hour also works effectively. Next, we will prepare the flavorful base for our soup. Take a ham bone, ideally weighing between 1 and 2 pounds, and place it into a large stock pot. Pour in 8 cups of fresh water, then bring the mixture to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it gently simmer for at least 2 hours. This process extracts all the wonderful ham flavor. Now it is time to combine our main ingredients. Carefully remove the ham bone from the pot and set it aside to cool slightly. Once cool enough to handle, shred about 1 cup of the delicious ham meat from the bone. Add your pre-soaked split peas, 1 finely chopped onion, and 2 diced carrots to the rich ham broth. Let this simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the peas are wonderfully tender. Finally, let's finish our hearty split pea soup. Stir the shredded ham meat back into the pot, ensuring it is well distributed. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Remember, the soup will naturally thicken as it cools, creating an even richer texture. Serve your warm, comforting split pea soup with a side of crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.